Do you use apps on your telephones? Very funny question. Obviously, that's what the phone is for. I think the utilization of phone has moved far away from just being a telephony device to much more than that. And knowingly or unknowingly, our phone knows everything about us through these apps. So we should be careful of what these apps are doing with our data. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy. Today we are going to talk about 4 privacy red flags for app users. What you should be careful about. First, vague or excessive permissions. You install an app and it starts asking you for various permissions. For example, a food delivery app, it asks for accessing microphone. Is it fair? Why does a food delivery app need a microphone? Logically, for nothing, right? And there are delivery apps who say that you can give a voice instruction, but why only for voice instruction? Number one. Number two, are they recognized apps? And they have defined why they need the use of microphone, right? So you know that they want microphone to be accessed only when you want to give a voice instruction. And I use that in a delivery app, not food delivery, but grocery delivery app, right? So the idea is that not all apps are good, and you need to be careful about what the app is asking from you so that you allow accordingly. Provide access of a particular item only to the app that actually needs it. Purpose is also clearly known to you, right? If you don't know the purpose why it is asking for a microphone access, then why is it asking? Why are you allowing? Disable the permissions until you know the purpose. Disable purpose if you don't know why they want this. Red flag number two, privacy notice. A document that every business that is working on personal data, well, actually every business, because a business cannot work without personal data, right? So every business has to have a privacy notice. They should tell the world what are they going to do with the personal data, how is it going to be used. So you should check for privacy notice, see if it's there. Okay, if you have located it, are you able to understand it, or is it in jargons and highly technical legal terms that you are not able to understand? Well, if those gaps are there, then there's no transparency. The app owner does not want you to understand how he's going to use your data, so you need to be careful accordingly. So download the app only if you think you can't live without this app. If it does not have a privacy notice or a clear privacy notice, right? Then what about consent? Consent is the most important pillar of data privacy. And there's a lot of confusion that most of the apps create about it. We spoke about shadow consent in a few days back in a video. What consent principles is this app following? Are they actually following? Is the purpose defined clearly? Is consent granular? That whatever item it is asking, what is it asking for? Or you're getting a shadow consent where it is some things written except all consent. You are not given the choice to pick and choose. A generic consent. You have come to my website, you or my app, you'll agree with whatever or whichever way I want to handle your data. Are they working through the shadow consent? And that's what shadow consent, accept all, vague icons, vague buttons, pre-checked boxes, so you don't realize that you have to uncheck them, right? They're all shadow consents. And most important thing, as per privacy norms, consent should be withdrawable. Is it withdrawable here? Need to check and be careful with it. And then third party data sharing. Is there a policy? Is there a purpose? Food delivery app. Does it need to share my data to a third party? No. Why? The food delivery boy is their own person, right? And the restaurant owner is going to deliver food to your food delivery person. Restaurant owner does not need to know where is the food going. So you don't need to share my personal details even with the restaurant owner from where I ordered the food. So third party sharing policy should be well defined, very, very clear. Are they having vague terms? We may share your data for better performance, for customer experience. No. The moment you say yes to this, or the moment you are forced to say yes to this, your data is up for marketing. You need to be very careful about this. So these are 4 critical red flags where people have found issues. And I would suggest that if you have suffered with any of these on an app, or if you think you have suffered even with one that I have not listed, please put it in the comment box. It would be nice to know and grow our knowledge and conversation along with it. And if you like the content of the video, please press the bell and the like icon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.